OpenClaw new update is insane! OpenClaw just dropped the biggest update of 2026. Mistral AI is now built in. It remembers everything. 5 languages, 40 security fixes. In one update. This is the AI tool you need to know about right now. I'm going to break down every single feature, show you exactly how to use it, and give you real examples of how this grows a real business. Let's go. So first, what is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an open-source AI client. Think of it like a hub. You plug different AI models into it, you run them, you automate with them, you manage memory and conversations. It is a serious power tool for people who want to use AI to run and grow their operations. And version 2026.2.22 is one of the biggest updates they have ever shipped. Mistral AI is now inside OpenClaw. Chat, memory, and voice. This is a big deal. Mistral is one of the best AI models out there right now. It is fast, it is smart, it is open source, and now you can run it directly inside OpenClaw with full chat memory and voice support. What does that actually mean in practice? It means you can have a real back-and-forth conversation with Mistral inside OpenClaw. It will remember what you said, and it will talk back to you out loud, hands-free. Here is how you would use this for something like the AI Profit Boardroom, which, by the way, is the best place to scale your business, automate your work, and get more customers using AI. We will come back to that, but picture this. You are running the AI Profit Boardroom. You want Mistral inside OpenClaw to handle your content planning. You open OpenClaw, connect Mistral, and you say, "You are a content strategist for the AI Profit Boardroom." Our community helps business owners save time and get more customers using AI automation. Plan a 30-day content calendar focused on AI automation tips, productivity wins, and community success stories. Mistral comes back with a full 30-day plan, laid out, ready to use. And here is the key part. Because memory is now built in, next time you open OpenClaw and talk to Mistral, it already knows who you are. It knows your brand. It knows your goals. You do not start from scratch every single time. That alone saves you hours every single week. The voice feature means you can talk out loud, get a response back, and keep working hands-free. You are building something, you are on a walk, you are in the car, you keep working. This is what real AI integration looks like in 2026. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated features in this update, multilingual memory: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic. OpenClaw now remembers your conversations across all 5 of those languages. That is not just a translation tool. That is memory that works no matter what language you are operating in. Why does this matter? If you are growing a community or a business globally, your audience is not just English speaking. Your members, your leads, your customers, they speak different languages. And when you are using AI to build content, handle outreach, run automations, you need the AI to understand context, not just words. With multilingual memory in OpenClaw, you can have a conversation in Spanish, switch to English, and the AI still knows who you are and what you are working on. Here is a real example prompt you could use. In Spanish, you would say, "Soy el creador del AI Profit Boardroom. Quiero crear contenido para mi audiencia hispanohablante sobre cómo la automatización con IA puede ahorrarles tiempo." OpenClaw remembers that. Next session in English, you say, "Continue with the Spanish content plan," and it knows exactly what you mean. This is how you scale globally without hiring a team of translators or starting every AI conversation from zero. If you are using AI tools like OpenClaw and you want to learn how to actually use them to grow your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you want to be. It is a community built to help you scale with AI automation. Real tools, real use cases. Link is in the comments and description. Now let's talk about the built-in auto updater, off by default. This one is smart. OpenClaw now checks for new versions and can update itself automatically, but it is off by default. Why does that matter? Because in a business environment, you do not want your tools updating themselves mid-workflow without you knowing, especially when you have automations running, especially when you have integrations connected. A surprise update can break things. So the team at OpenClaw made the right call. They built the updater in. They made it easy to turn on, but they left you in control. How do you turn it on? Go into your OpenClaw settings, find Update Preferences, and toggle it on. From that point, OpenClaw checks for new versions and updates when you are not using it. For most individual users, turn it on. It is convenient. You will always have the latest version without thinking about it. For teams running automations, keep it off. Update on your schedule, test first, then deploy. That is the professional move. Now, Chrome Parallel runs. This one is for the people running automations. And if you are in the AI profit boardroom or thinking about it, this is the feature you want to understand. Cron jobs are scheduled tasks. You tell OpenClaw, run this task at this time every day, every hour, every week, whatever you need. Before this update, cron jobs in OpenClaw ran one at a time. Task 1 finishes. Task 2 starts. Now they run in parallel, multiple tasks at the same time. Here is what that looks like in practice for the AI Profit Boardroom. You could have one task pulling new content ideas, another task generating social posts, another task summarizing community activity, all running at the same time, not one after the other, all at once. That is how you build a lean operation that actually moves fast. Now let's talk about the 40+ security hardening fixes. I know security updates sound boring. Stay with me. This matters. The OpenClaw team pushed over 40 security fixes in this update. That is a big number, and it tells you something important. It tells you the team is serious. It tells you they did a deep audit. And it tells you that if you were running an older version, you needed this update yesterday. What do security hardening fixes cover in an AI client? Things like how your API keys are stored, how your conversation history is protected, how the tool handles external connections, how it manages permissions, whether your data is exposed when you are running automations. For anyone using OpenClaw in a business context, and especially anyone who has sensitive client data, community data, or workflow data running through it, these fixes matter a lot. The practical takeaway: update to 2026.2.22 right now. Do not run the old version when there is a patched one available. And if you are managing a team that uses OpenClaw, push the update to everyone. Make it a policy. This is not optional if you are running a real operation. And now the browser extension that actually stays connected. This one sounds simple. It is not. Browser extensions for AI tools have a problem. They connect, they disconnect. You are mid-task. You go to use the extension, it has dropped the connection. You have to reload. You lose context. You start over. It is one of the most frustrating things in day-to-day AI work. OpenClaw fixed it. The browser extension in 2026.2.22 maintains its connection. It does not drop. You can be working in your browser for hours, switching tabs, opening new pages, and the OpenClaw extension is still live, still connected, still ready. This is one of the most complete updates I have seen from an open source AI client. And if you are serious about using AI to grow a real business, OpenClaw just gave you a serious upgrade. Now, if you want to go even deeper on AI automation tools like this one, I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Learn how to use tools like OpenClaw to build real automations that grow your business on autopilot. The link is in the comments and description. Come join us. And if you want the full process SOPs and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab, our free AI community. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Link is in the comments and description. See you in there.